My name is Diogo Rodrigues. I am the head of finance at Ethic. Understanding how much money we're spending per headcount, how that's changed over time is a very good starting point on planning for the future. The quick prompt I came up with was, what is our currently monthly payroll burn rate and how has it trended over the past 6 and 12 months? It actually breaks down payroll costs into the different high-level buckets that I want to, right? So gross pay, employer taxes, and then all the employer benefits. So it's truly every dollar paid for your employee, for their salary, and all the additional expenses that come with that. And then you actually have a bit of feedback that Rippling AI is going to provide you. Some high-level analysis on all your payroll and all of your benefits. Building the report itself and the number of iterations you have to go through until you have the exact kind of format and information you want was definitely a few hours. With Rippling AI, all it took was one prompt in plain English, and it gave me the information I needed, and I was able to drill down as much as I had to, which was really, really great and quite impressive, to be honest. So if I wanted to get the same information per department, I could get it. I work off of our accounting and bookkeeping and ERP system, and you do not have that same level of detail or granularity as you do in your actual payroll software. So we do have payroll split by department, but here you can drill down to the individual, and it just allows you to do a lot more.